So in today's video, we're going to be talking about this bomb tool where you can basically replace people in videos. You know, for those who don't know, the video actually went viral of Lil Yachty walking out, and his walkout was just, it was a vibe. You know what I mean? It was a vibe, like, and everyone has been replacing him with images, you know, all kind of stuff, all kind of stuff. Matter of fact, let me give y'all a taste. Let me show y'all. Go ahead, roll the footage. Go on now, Bob. So as you can see, this is dope, right? You see the side by side. You see now, just in all honesty and total transparency, it's not perfect, right? But the fact that it's where it is now and it was just released just shows that more is in store, right? So yeah, so let's hop into the computer, hop into my computer and show you guys how to create one for yourself. Let's get it. All right, what's going on? Okay, so we in a computer. So the first thing you want to do to create this video is you want to go to Viggle.ai, okay? And then you want to click on join the beta. And when this happens, Discord is going to pop up now. But fortunately, Viggle only gives you the opportunity to edit the videos in Discord. So if you don't have a Discord account, you need to set one up, okay? So for the sake of this, you know, I already actually have had my Discord set up, but you would just, once you have your Discord set up, you would select accept invite, and then it'll pop up on your Discord. Now, then me go back because I already done. Set up here, okay? So after you go ahead and you know, and accept the invite, you want to go over to Viggle and Discord. Okay, now on the left side, you better see a lot of different rooms, if you will. And all of the animate rooms, you could just pick one. It doesn't really matter. All right, so I'll just pick, you know, 14. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to, like, in the input bar at the bottom, you're going to hit the slash, and then you're going to type in animate. Okay, and then which is the first thing you're going to do is you're going to find your picture. Okay, now in this case, you're not pick this picture, so I'm going to just go ahead and show you guys. Okay, now for like a motion prompt, there is actually a prompt for the Lil Yachty walkout, and I have it here. So I'm going to just go ahead and copy that prompt in there. I'm going to paste it in. For background, we're going to go from template because of the years we're using the prompt. For fine tune, we're going to hit on. And then we are going to hit enter. Now, the way it works, you know, Viggle is, a lot of people are using it right now. I've had a little error message. We need to start it over. And start it over. And made in, then this goes to show how many people are using it. All right. Okay, from template fine to or bada bing bada bull. Okay, so for the way it works is, why am I getting an error message? Listen up in. Okay. Maybe my prompt is wrong. Copy. Okay. Getting error messages out and to that this, but I'm gonna keep the row and keep the row. So we're gonna try this again. I'm gonna get the image. Okay, I'm gonna put in the prompts. Background from template, fine tune on, and hit it. It could have been the prompt that I used. Yeah, see the prompt that I used wasn't so now the way it works is you want to stay. It's a lot of people that are using Viggle. Right? It's a lot of people that are using it, not just for the Lil Yachty walkout, but all kinds of videos. So what you want to do is you want to try to keep the screen where yours is going to be loading. As you can see right here, it says the video would be displayed in this message in 2 to 5 minutes. Okay, so I wait that out and see how it comes out. And it's literally this simple. Like, this is just as simple as it is to create to create this. So here we go. Here we go. Let's check it out. Let's check it And you have a lot of other people doing so many different things. Like they're taking their pictures, they're making dance videos, they're taking they're taking other videos and putting themselves in a video. I mean, this tool is really, 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 really dope. Okay. So yeah, so there you have it. And actually here's another person. Now, as you can see, why it is a little choppy, right? It is a little choppy. Matter of fact, let me show you guys. I did have, we go back to my recents. Okay, so here it go. Here's a side-by-side of the original video with the video I just created. So you guys can get the side-by-side view. It is a little choppy, but it'll get better. So there you have it. This is how you guys can take an image, replace a person in the video. Now you may be thinking, well, hey, that's good. This video had a prompt. What if I have a video and I don't have a prompt? This and that. If you want that video, right? If you want me to break it down to you how you do this without having a prompt, without having, just doing it from scratch, make sure you comment down below and let me know if you guys want to watch that. Like I said, this tool is dope. You can only access the tool in Discord, so you have to have a Discord membership or whatnot, and it's free. It's not like you have to pay anything. But yeah, so there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more AI tools as well as AI news. Until next time, later, my friend.